Depleted uranium begins as uranium ore mined from across the United States, much of it from the state of Utah. After the uranium ore is mined, it is hauled by heavy equipment to a uranium mill where the ore is transferred for milling. Once the milling process is complete, a product called yellow cake remains, which is shipped to enrichment facilities to extract the fissionable material needed for use in nuclear power plants and defense weapons. The yellow cake is transformed into uranium hexafluoride, UF6, as part of the enrichment process. The enrichment process concentrates the two fissionable elements, U-235 and U-234, on one side of the process. This enriched uranium is used for the production of fuel. Further enrichment produces higher-grade uranium, used for weapons production. The remaining material, after most of the U-235 and U-234 are removed, is called depleted uranium. Because the fissionable portions of the uranium are removed, depleted uranium is less radioactive than the original form of uranium. Depleted uranium must still be properly managed and disposed of for the protection of human health and the environment. The majority of the country's depleted uranium is stockpiled in Kentucky and Ohio and is still in the uranium hexafluoride form. To begin the process for disposal, the uranium hexafluoride must first be deconverted back into the more stable uranium oxide form, U308. After the DU is deconverted, it is repackaged into specially designed containers that are generally 12 feet long and 4 feet in diameter. Once packaged in these specially designed steel containers and sealed, the containers are inspected, loaded on a train, and may be transported to the West Desert of Utah to the Energy Solutions Clive Disposal Facility. Upon arrival by rail at the Energy Solutions Clive Disposal Facility, the containers are again inspected to ensure none of the containers were compromised during transportation. The disposal facility is prepared by removing the top 8 to 10 feet of soil, constructing a low permeability clay liner, and placing an engineered protective soil layer. The embankment is made of natural building materials that are proven to remain stable for long periods of time. The containers are then carefully positioned in the facility for permanent disposal in the southwest section of the facility. After the containers are properly positioned, a special grout-type material is poured over the containers to ensure there is no void space. Once the grout is set, it will ensure there is no void space, which further ensures the containers are safe and secure. Additional material will be placed over the containers to ensure stability, and then a cover consisting of rock and compacted clay will be placed on the liner, with vegetation planted to prevent erosion. Properly disposing of depleted uranium ensures safety for the environment and citizens of this country that have enjoyed many benefits of nuclear materials. It is a great responsibility to safely manage depleted uranium, and Energy Solutions manages the disposal of nuclear waste better than any other company in the country.